going to start the second PUC physics of the first lesson, electric charges and field. This is core 90 plus series. In physics, in every lesson, in most of the lessons, you will have 5 marks. These lessons consist of 5 marks. One is derivation and one is numericals. Then 3 marks, followed by 2 marks, followed by 1 marks. See, in physics, the evaluation process is very tough compared to maths and chemistry. So you have to be very careful in physics. So we'll go for the 5 marks questions. So first one is derivation. The part D 5 marks. That first one, see, in first one you have two topics. One is Gauss law related topic and other is electric field related topic. See, in Gauss law related topic there are three derivations: straight wire and plate. See, in spherical shell they may ask when charge is inside the sphere, when charge is outside the sphere, or charge is just outside the sphere, when charge is just outside the sphere. These three from spherical shell they may ask. Straight wire and plate are direct derivation. Then in electric field equatorial and axial, these two derivation there. For 5 marks you should read totally 5 derivation. We have 5 see derivation. How you have to learn is first diagram, then you should write a theory related to diagram. Step 1 derivation, then theory related to step 1 derivation. Step 2 derivation, theory related to step 2 derivation. Some people will directly write a diagram and derivation and will expect 5 marks, but they will get 3 marks because they lost 2 marks for not writing the theory. So you have to be very careful. Next, in numerical, you have to learn these two topics. I would suggest to keep the numerical at last. First, you go with 5 marks, then 3 marks, then 2 marks, then 1 marks, then numericals. Numerical, you will get from these two topics. In numericals, nothing is fixed. In numerical 1 marks, we cannot expect any question. So next we'll go for 3 marks. See, in physics 3 marks and 2 marks most probably they will be same. See, properties of field lines. I would suggest you to learn some 8 points so that you can write 6 points where each points carries half marks. So total 6 into half is 3. 6 into half is equals to 3. Similarly for this also 8 points you learn, write 6 points. Same this doing one here till after. Electric field lines and notation, you know there are 3: plus plus, minus minus, and plus minus, plus plus, minus minus, and plus minus. Leaving this they cannot ask anything, so you be thorough with this 3 diagram. For 3 marks they will ask these 3 only. Then Coulomb's law and its vector form, it is a direct question. They'll ask what is Coulomb's law, right? It's vector form, it is a direct question. So next we'll move to 2 marks. See, I told you 3 marks and 2 marks are similar, but for 2 marks you should write 4 points which carries half marks. 4 points. For 2 marks, how much points you should write? 4 points which carries half marks. So already you learned in 3 marks 8 points. So you can directly write 4 ones. If you know 8 points, write here also, no problem. Then electric field lines notation, any 2. That plus plus, minus minus, plus by any 2 they will ask here. Then Coulomb's law and vector form, again what you learned in 3 marks. See, if you learn 3 marks, there is no need to learn of this. Then 1 marks, they can ask SI unit of charge, electric field and electric flux, or they may ask what is charge, what is electric field, what is electric flux, like that question. See, they may ask what is charge, what is electric field, its definition, what is electric field, or its effect. Then they may ask Coulomb's law or write the Coulomb's law expression. These are 1 marks which are very important. You have to go through other 1 marks also. So I'll quickly recall what we studied. First we studied with 5 marks where there is 5 derivation which are from 2 topics, Gauss law and electric. Numericals, they are from 2 topics, dipole problem and system of charges. And for 3 marks, for properties you have to learn 8 points and write 6 marks where each carries half marks. So 6 into half is equals to 3. And when it comes for 2 marks you should write 4 points where each points carry half marks. 4 into half is equals to 2. Then 1 mark, I told they may ask SI unit or definition of any of this. So you should be thorough. See, in physics I told evaluation process is tough, so you have to be very careful. If you're not okay with NCERT, I would suggest you to go with GVIT publication. If your college provide their own derivation, it is well and good. Please be careful in derivation. First you write diagram, write theory related to that, then step 1 theory related to that, so that you not lose any marks. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.